I'm coming in.
What up, family? I'm Chris Johnson.
And I'm Yvonne Johnson.
And we are
Reclaim Karma.
Now, typically, you'll find us renovating kitchens and baths for our customers all over Atlanta.
But this time, we're bringing our skills from the inside out. We're going to show you how we finished and stained our outdoor entertainment space in just one weekend.
Shouts out to our friends over at Home Depot and Olympic Stain for making this all possible. Want to learn how we did it? Let's get it cracking.
They got the iron, well I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog, just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect him. I made the call, it was just like I'm reffing. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now, later than never.
So here's your materials list. Olympic Maximum Stain, Olympic Deck Cleaner, pump sprayer, 4mm plastic and 3M tape, paint gun, paint brush, and of course your PPE.
Olympic Maximum is awesome because you can stain in multiple temperatures. You can stain in as low as 35 degrees and as high as 120 degrees. And you can actually stain when the wood is damp. Step number one, prep. Got to prep the deck accordingly. So let's get this deck cleared off and we'll finish the prep before we start staining.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it.
So we just finished up with the prep of the deck before we stained it. The first thing that we did is we blew it off and swept it to make sure that all debris was removed. Then we actually put a deck cleaner on it from Olympic. It removes mold, it removes stain, brightens the wood. Our wood is actually new wood, but it comes with like a top coat on it to protect the wood that you need to break through as well before you actually stain it. So we applied the deck cleaner to it to remove that and just brighten the wood up, and then we'll actually come back and apply the stain. As you can see, we're back at it. We got the porch, we've got it clean, we got the brightener on there, it's clean, it's ready to go. So the next thing that we're gonna do is we are going to tape off the back of the house, because we're spraying today with the Wagner, right? And make sure we don't get any of the overspray on the actual siding and I don't get in trouble with the wife. We're going to be using some 4mm plastic tape. Gotta have some tape. A knife to cut the plastic with. Oh, I ladder to.
They got the iron, well I got the steamer. I bring the fire, but you never seen her. I testify, I don't need a subpoena. They want my soul, better go to Korea. I love my dog, just like I'm Peter. Gotta protect him. I made the call, it was just like I'm reffing. I know we left, yeah, now we back together, but I guess that is better now, later than never. Like, what's happening? I'ma need y'all quit asking.
All right, quick DIY tip. I'm about to put you on some serious game. Make sure you go to the Olympic Project Pro website. Put in the type of project that you're doing, the type of wood that you're using, and they have a visualizer tool that allows you to see how the finish is going to look on your project before you even step foot in the store to purchase the stain. You can thank me later. This made the task for choosing the actual stain color for us so much easier. It allowed us the ability to choose what we wanted in the comfort of our own home and walk right in the store and grab what we needed.
Boom. Olympic Maximum Stain. This is an all-weather stain. This bad boy is ready for whatever, and we're going to be using the color teak. And I think it's going to come out pretty good. You know, honestly, I had thought about it. Should I brush it? Should I roll it? Should I use a rag? What should I do? I was like, I'm not going to do all that, right? I got to bring out the big guns. The Wagner Flexio 2000, 8 times faster than a paintbrush.
It's got dual speeds on it, fast and slow. And it's just an all-around bad paint gun.
Wake 'em up, wake 'em up, wake 'em up, wake 'em up. See him still sleeping, so I had to shake 'em up. I kept it too real. I wasn't fake enough. My real life was a headline. Your real life got a deadline. My timeline was a hashtag. Your timeline just a hate crime. Coming in hot, feeling like pop. Back in 94 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. Ditch my time.
So the stain came out a little more solid than what I wanted it to, but I was able to wipe it down and make it more transparent. We got a semi-transparent. We probably should have got transparent teak, but nonetheless, we were able to wipe it down. So we're gonna spray it. I still like how the spray is coming out and it's getting right into the cracks of the wood, but then we'll wipe it down and it should get it to where we need it to be.
Hot, feeling like pop. Back in 94 when he took 5 shots. Too much drive to ride your wave. Ditch my top and I'm off that lot. Black on black on black on black on black on black on black. You don't have to ball a rap to get them racks on racks. Uber poolers trying to catch my vibe and find my way. Yeah, I know I'm ratchet, but I'm really safe. Hot sauce dripping. Everybody wanna start dipping. First nobody wanna listen. Now everybody pay attention. Now everybody pay a fee. Even Trump gotta take a knee. When the horn blow, y'all gon' see. Make the wall fall down like yee. I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive.
Here's the finished deck. You see we stained the light post. I mean, this came out awesome. You know, we did the Olympic Maximum semi-transparent and teak. And we did a nice hand rub finish on it. And I mean, it just made the wood grain pop. It's just beautiful. We love the hue because it actually matches our teak furniture over here. So this just looks like we spent a lot of money on our wood, except it's pine. And it looks awesome. The only thing we have left to do now is put the table on, fire up the Traeger, and enjoy life.
I look real good today. 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 Jumping out the mother Bentley. Rolling in a gas and new Balenci's. Walking with a pocket full of Benjis. I'm a 10-piece. I look real good today. 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 Dive in the like scuba. Mommy look good, she from Cuba. All white like cocaine. Gang, spend a lot of money on my chain. Keep me a strap like Rambo. Bah, plug hit my phone, that Fernando. I was trapping, cooking in a bando. Look at my face, classy mango. I look real good today. I look real good today. I look real good today. I look real good today.